Nowadays, we live in a fast-paced society, and it is important that people can have a way to make good use of fragments of time. To address this issue, we have designed a game, Space Adventure, that can help people make this fragment time more enjoyable. This game targets all age groups, from kids to the elders. Whoever wants to have some fun when they are commuting from places to places, the only thing they need to do is unlock their phone and open the application.
Here is the overall software architecture. Our software has 3 activities: Start menu activity, leaderboard activity, and main activity. Start menu activity is presented when the app is launched. It has 2 buttons. One of them leads the user to leaderboard activity and the other one leads the user to main activity. In leaderboard activity, user can input name and score that can be saved on Google Firebase. They will be sorted and the high score can be retrieved by our app. The main activity is where the game takes place. It is run with a main thread, which is an infinite game loop that checks instant FPS and makes sure that it's never above 30 FPS and catches exceptions and breaks the loop when necessary. Its context view is set by GamePanel, which is a class inherited from Surface View class. It has managers that manages the movements of sprites and different sprite classes that has important information of the sprites we draw on the canvas. Next, I'll show you a quick demo of our app and go into details.
So in the startup activity, we have a 2 button. One of that is a leaderboard. If you click on leaderboard and click on the refresh button here, it will automatically retrieve data from the highest score database, which is cooperate with the Google Firebase service. And then you can also upload your score. For example, if I put Lisa and then score equals 310 here, and then click on the upload score button, your score has been uploaded. There will be a reminder here. And then if I click on Lisa 300, which is lower than 310, it says your score is not the new high score because my score is too low right now. After you go to the leaderboard activity, you can click on the back button here, and then you can start it. You can still start your game, and that's it.
Here is our game in action. User can control the movement of aircraft using the touchscreen feature of Android phones. The aircraft shoots bullets, which can kill the enemies. Small enemies require 3 hits and are worth 1 point, and the bigger ones require 10 hits and are worth 5 points. If you can collect one of these little stars, you can get a power-up which doubles the number of bullets you can shoot at one time. Once you collide with any of these, you get a game over. You can restart by clicking the screen, or you can use the pause button. You can either choose to resume, or you can choose to retry, which resets everything.